Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Hinge password using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hinge app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the profile icon. This opens your personal profile page. On your profile page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and look for account settings or change password. Tap it to open the password section. You may be asked to type your current password for security verification. Type your new password. Make sure it is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. This confirm the new password by typing it again. Tap save or confirm. You will see a message saying your password has been successfully changed. If you forget your current password, tap forget password on the login screen to reset through email. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Hinge password on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.